A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay.
All right, strap in because today's court sessions are nothing short of a legal roller coaster. First up, we've got a sovereign citizen, well, more like a sovereign clown, who busts out the classic "I'm not a person, I'm a legal entity" routine. Yep, that old trick. The judge's expression alone could win an Emmy, and his reaction? Absolute gold. Courts don't entertain imaginary loopholes. They deal with real people, and this guy's argument holds less water than a sieve. It's legally laughable. Let me know what you think of this courtroom carnival in the comments. And if this kind of legal lunacy is your thing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Your Honor, Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not
No.
in the etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Hannah here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. I'll give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2024, God willing. All right.
Likewise.
Here we go again. And I've got to say, watching this judge lay down that dry, razor-sharp sarcasm is an art form. He handles these so-called legal geniuses with the perfect balance of wit and authority, flipping their faux legal jargon right back at them like a verbal judo master. You can see their confidence crack the moment he pushes back. It's priceless. Part 2 of this hearing drops tomorrow, and believe me, it only gets wilder. But before that, buckle up for the next act. Another sovereign citizen who seems like he's genuinely taken a one-way trip off the deep end. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's wade through the madness.
I am more.
More?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's
Yes,
not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I am more. I'm here on special representation. I'm
Same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My honor, I'm asking.
Okay.
What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your
Deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your nationality.
He has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant. And they're different warrant numbers. Okay. So I guess I do both sets. Let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States? And so what is your status? You're a U.S. citizen of the United States?
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
Asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again,
Is he deputy?
status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the
Is
courtroom.
he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would
Okay.
like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign citizen
Can you
thing?
provide me with the information?
Let's be honest here. Either this guy's putting on the performance of a lifetime, or he's truly gone off the rails. Maybe it's a bit of both. He's rambling, the deputy's rolling his eyes, and at one point, he insists his name is just Moore. Like, what does that even mean? Does he really expect the judge to shrug and say, "All right then, case dismissed"? It's theater, absurd, confusing, and a total waste of courtroom time. Honestly, judges might need to start shutting these hearings down the moment this sovereign citizen routine kicks in, or just slap them with contempt and move on. It's more than annoying. It's turning justice into a joke. What do you think? Time for courts to bring the hammer down?
Can you provide me with the information?
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a U.S. citizen? My Honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said
Said
be
stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
US citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right, so y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'll just go ahead and move on. Y'all take him.
Feet up.
Asking
Move your
for
feet.
the court to be a jurisdiction of the
Hey,
court.
you might want to
The
chill
court
out.
to be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. Challenging the jurisdiction of the court because I am not who they say they are. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything should be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get two.
Let them know I am challenging the jurisdiction.
That last stunt? Yeah, that was the nail in the coffin. This guy isn't just playing around, he's on his own bizarre wavelength. We've seen sovereign citizens pull some unhinged moves before, but this one, he's in a league of his own. Watching him feels like flipping channels and landing on a bad reality show. How do you reason with someone who refuses to acknowledge laws exist? Credit to the judge, her patience is saint level. And Zoom Court? It just gives these folks more. Room to rant without repercussions. Quick tip, saying "I don't consent" doesn't work like a legal reset button. Anyway, I'll be dropping the second part of that first clip tomorrow. Leave a comment. Are these people putting on an act or truly lost? And hey, if you love this kind of courtroom chaos, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.